Hey guys, it's Hadizadi here, and today we will be doing a GNAW problem, which is the graph portion. So in this portion, we will be talking about, well, graphs and solving graphs. So now, the problem is asking us identify parts where the function below is not continuous and or not differentiable. So we will have to find numbers, or I guess you could say sums that will have not continuous and not differentiable. So you need to think about the nots in these in the sentence. So let's try making a table or something that says, okay, this is not differentiable and this is not continuous. So we can say that, okay, not continuous, okay, and then we can just make a whole line on the middle and say not differentiable, okay, and we can just put it out there. So let's try solving that. So now the thing I do is that if you think about it, the things that are not that fails to exist would be like distant, like holes, like cusp would be like this, so this wouldn't make it continuous, or even corners. So these kind of like we can already see something that's not continuous at all because there's a cusp right there or a corner. So it kind of just shows you, okay, well, I already see that, so that's the examples that are not continuous. So let's try looking at for example, -3. We kind of have like a corner because it's like going right and then right there. So this is like a corner and it's going to +2. So -3 would be also one of the things that would not be continuous. Also, another example would be 4. We have another corner going on like this. You see that? So that would not be continuous because of the corner we have right there. So these are only 2 numbers I find that are not continuous. Now for the not differentiable, we can kind of see that we have -2 and 2 here, which means that they're not continuous because they're both in the same, they're both going in the same kind of direction. So I think that x equals to -2, x equals to 2. Let's see, -3 also does not make any sense either because again, it's a corner. So this would be also not differentiable. +4 also would not be, because since it's not continuous, it's not differentiable either. So this would be 4 also, and that's pretty much it for this problem. Hey guys, it's Hadizadi, and this is the numeric portion of the GNAW problem. So this one is a table one, and it says average rate of change from a table, which is right here, and it says find the average rate of change over the interval 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 30. So what I do is that I kind of locate where the 2 and 30 is from. So we have 2 right here and we have 30 right here, and the f of x is 7 and 2. So we located where that is, and now let's go to step 2. So we will be using the average rate of change formula, which is f of x minus f of a, and then divided by x minus a. So we will be using that in order to find the answer for this problem. So what I would do is I would replace f of x of 30 right here, okay, minus f of 2, which would be a, and then we will be using 3 minus 2. Now let's use the f of x, which is 7 minus 2 over 30 minus 2 is 28. Now 7 plus 2 is 9 over 28, and this will be your answer for this problem. Alright, hey guys, this is Hadizadi, and today we will be doing the GNAW problem, which is algebraic. So it says find the derivative of the function, which is f of x equals to x cubed minus 4x plus 5. So on this problem, we will have to simplify and then simplify by the derivative also. So let's start by using f prime. So f prime of x, let's try simplifying this first. So we have 6x to the squared minus 4 and plus 0 5 would be equal to 0 because there's no x at all, and yeah, pretty much. And for negative, it's -4 because it's just x is basically approached to 1. So it'll just be -4, which no x. So f of x prime. Now, using derivative, so we will use f of x prime dy over dx equals, we have d over dx times by 6x squared minus dy, oh, it should just be d actually, my bad, kind of messed the thing, okay, d over dx, which is by -4, and we don't have to put 0 because it's already 0 and there will be no matter in that case. So now if you simplify this, it would just be f of x dy over dx equal to 6x squared minus 4, and this will be your answer for this problem. Hey guys, this is Heidi Zeddy, and today I will be talking about a problem of the GNAW problem. So this problem says the graph of f of x is the derivative of f is shown at the right, so it will be right here. Okay, we see that. If f of 2 equals 7, write an equation of the line tangent to the graph of f at 2 and 7. So if you think about it, 2 and 7 is x1 over y on y1. So f of 2 prime is basically, let's look at the graph. So what is f of 2 prime? Let's think about that. What is it? So because this is basically the slope, we need to find the slope in order to make an equation, right, of the tangent line. So if you think about it, we have 3 right here. So, you know, if you think about it, 2 and 3 go together right here. Oh, yeah, 2, 3. My graph is not aligned correctly, but 2 and 3 goes together. So we can do just 2 and 3 right here, and they basically line each other. So that means that it will be 3 as a slope. No? So that would be equal to m, which is slope. So we will be using the point slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. This is the point slope formula. So we have to replace the points to here. So let's do y minus 7 equal to, well, 3 as a slope, and x minus 2. And that's all. You don't need to simplify anything. That's basically what the answer is, because they only need an equation. They don't need a simplification of the equation, just an equation. So write an equation of the line tangent to the graph of f at 2 and 7. And this will be your answer.